How to process an invoice in QuickBooks Online. Very simple. Move to your right hand side top corner. Under the Create button, as you can see as I hover over the plus sign, it turns green. Click into the plus sign, which is a Create Any Transaction button, as you can see. So under Customers, we will choose Invoice. Under the customer name, let's just choose someone. We'll choose Brad Pitbull today. An email address for Brad will be, which is my email address. Oops, I better just fix it up a little bit, .com.au. Today's date, if you want it to go out as of today's date. Otherwise, I can actually change it. Let's just say to last Friday's date. The terms, let's leave it on 7 days. The product that we're actually selling to Brad, as you can see, you will need to set up some products and services before you produce an invoice. So in this particular case, let's just say that we're selling some jumpers to Brad Pitbull for his dogs. Let's just say that we're selling 5 of them. If I want to, I can reduce the price that I have set up previously. The invoice number comes up automatically. That's all I really need to do. Then I just click on Save and Send. Yes, that's fine. And that's where it will be emailed to. You can change the body of the email if you want to. That's what the invoice looks like at this stage. I just click Send and Close and off it goes. Pretty simple, everyone, as you can see. If we want to look at the back end, I'm just going to move into my QuickBooks Online email that I use. As you can see, this is the email that Brad Pitbull will receive. View the invoice, and voila, everyone, this is what the invoice looks like. Nice and simple. And as you can see, the client can print or save as PDF. Thanks, everyone. Bye.